So for today's video, this is my initial review of my first ever waist trainer. I was really struggling with shifting belly fat and getting abs as such. So I just wanted a way to kind of trim the fat. So I kind of started looking at waist trainers. Basically, I came across this brand called Luxx Curves. I watched a lot of the reviews on YouTube about the brand and her waist trainers looked amazing. Basically, I went online and I bought a waist trainer from Luxx Curves. That's who I'm going to be reviewing in today's video. Just a few notes. Before you order your waist trainer, you have to take two measurements. So you're to take your waist measurements, so the smallest part of your waist, and then you also need to measure your torso length. So that's from, I would say, where your breastbone is, or even where your bra would end, right to just above your pelvis. Basically where you would want your waist trainer to end. So that would be your torso length, because she's got various different types of torso lengths, because some people have longer torsos or shorter torsos to other people. So we all actually have different torso lengths. So I did that, and then I kind of found what waist trainer would suit me. I also included extenders. In case the waist trainer was too small, I actually just ordered the extenders just to have them. And I thought they might come in useful for even future waist trainers in case they, you know, do come up a little bit small. So I placed my order. Delivery took about 2 weeks. My parcel basically came in this beautiful pink bag, and then my waist trainer came in one of these kind of plastic pocket things, and here the extenders came in also like a plastic. I also got one of these kind of, I think it's like a storage bag for your waist trainer, which I've been using to store the waist trainer in. This is the Luxx Curves waist trainer. I just got it in the matte black. First thing I noticed when I took the waist trainer out is the waist trainer is great quality. It's so sturdy, but obviously so flexible so that it will mold to your body. I was so impressed with the quality of these waist trainers. The material is so thick. I've attached one of the extenders to it because I've been using it. I knew I might need an extender because I did kind of size down a little bit. Because it was coming from so far, I didn't go with my exact size. I kind of went with like the next size down, and then because I knew I was getting an extender, I thought I would be able to extend it, and which was exactly what I was able to do. Absolutely love the waist trainer. I just think it's amazing quality. They curve in the front, and then this is the back, which when you put it on, it just fits amazing. And again, I think that's another great addition. It's just the quality of it. It's the design of it. I think it's stunning. It's so beautiful. I won't lie, the very first fit of it, because it is, you know, so rigid, was a challenge. It was definitely, but if you watch any of her training videos or any of the review videos, everyone actually mentions that the first time you put on the waist trainer is difficult. I honestly was sweating, and that was with the extender. I was sweating trying to put this on, but once it's on, it actually feels very comfortable. So it's funny because it feels quite tight when you're putting it on. You're like, is this gonna feel right once I do? But it feels very comfortable. The first day I tried it on, I kept it on for about 2 hours, and it was very comfortable to wear. Initial impressions of this, I absolutely love this. This is an amazing brand of waist trainer. If you're looking for a waist trainer, this is one I would definitely highly recommend. When you put it on, it shouldn't be suffocating. It should almost feel like a bear hug, which I would say that's exactly how it feels, because you do need that bit of compression on your stomach for the waist trainer to work properly. Over time, it actually molds to your body shape, so it actually gets even more comfortable. I'm just so impressed with this waist trainer. I thought it'd be good to share for anyone looking for their first waist trainer, or even just looking for another waist trainer. This brand, Luxx Curves, is an amazing brand to try. The quality of the waist trainers, amazing. That's basically what I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. If you're in the market for a new waist trainer, this is a great brand. I just wanted to share a review of the product. She's also got a YouTube channel which have a lot of amazing videos on waist training in general. So many amazing, informative videos that will help guide you on your waist training journey as well. So I hope that if you are in the market for a waist trainer, you will check out Luxx Curves. I definitely don't think you will regret it. Just great quality, and I genuinely think they will last as long as you need them to. I will have a review on actually the waist training process itself and how that's been going. So subscribe if you want to see that video and keep an eye out for it. But in the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful if you've been looking for a waist trainer to try. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye, guys.